Every pen gives a lesson and every lesson changes a person. Start from basic learn until death. Today we are going to learn regional division of Asia. Asia can be divided into 6 physiographical divisions. We will see one by one. Central Asia, Eastern Asia, Northern Asia, Southeastern Asia, Southern Asia and Western Asia. These 6 divisions we will learn one by map. Northern Asia, you can see here Central Asia, Western Asia, Southern Asia, Eastern Asia, Southeastern Asia. These are clearly showing here in the map 6 divisions of the Asia. Central Asian countries. We will see one by one. First is Central Asian countries. Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan. These countries will learn by map. See here clearly shows Central Asian map. It's indicating the different color. Countries I will show one by one. You can learn. First is Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan. These are the 5 countries come in Central Asia. Clearly you can see here. Next is Eastern Asian countries. Eastern Asian countries are China, Hong Kong, Japan, North Korea, South Korea, Macau, Mongolia, Taiwan. You will see these countries in map. See Eastern Asia clearly indicating here where it's Eastern Asia comes. This part we can see here first. Mongolia, China, North Korea, South Korea, Japan, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Macau. North Asian countries. North Asian countries are Russia. Only Russia is in the present North Asian countries. Russia, officially called Russian Federation, is a country that in Eastern Europe and in the North Asia. It is largest country in the world by land area. You will see in the map. You can see here North Asia, how much place it covers in the Asian continent. Here one country is there, Russia. Southeastern Asian countries. Southeastern Asian countries are Brunei, Myanmar, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Timor-Leste, Vietnam. These countries I will show one by one in map. See, this is Southeastern Asia. You can see here Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, Timor-Leste, Brunei. Next is Southern Asian countries. Southern Asian countries are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. We can call these are our neighbor countries. In map, we are clearly indicate the Southern Asian countries. One by one I will show now map. First is India, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. West Asian countries. In this part we can see more countries. I will show you one by one. Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Cyprus, Georgia, Iran, Iraq, Israel, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Oman, State of Palestine, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Syria, Turkey, United Arab Emirates and Yemen. These countries will see in the map. See this part in Western Asia. In this part how many countries is there? I will show one by one. First is Oman, Yemen, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait, Iran, Azerbaijan, Georgia, Armenia, Turkey, Syria, Iraq, Jordan, Lebanon, Cyprus, State of Palestine, Israel, UAE. Next, clearly I will show final all countries in Asia. You can see this map completely here showing Asian countries, and we'll learn important seas. First is Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and here you can see is West Asian side, you can see Red Sea and South China Sea, East China Sea, Yellow Sea, Sea of Japan, Bering Sea, Java Sea. These are the seas, important seas you have to remember in Asian continents. These are the important countries and seas today we learned in Asian continents. Thank you for watching. Start from basic, learn until death. Keep learning.